Welcome. This video is all about a very important little battery that is fitted somewhere in this laptop. But where is this battery? I think we have a design fault here. Just look carefully. There are many various types of CMOS batteries found in a laptop computer, and some don't even have a battery. The main laptop battery is used. This is fine until the battery doesn't have enough power to keep the laptop working. So, let's look at the laptop that does have a CMOS battery, and one that isn't as straightforward to replace as you would hope for. So, let's remove the palm rest. But before we do, let's remove these ribbon cables so that the palm rest can be removed. Be careful when opening the cover. Use something that is flexible. As you can see, very low voltage, replace with a new battery of 3 to 3.2 volts. Remember that the CMOS battery in your laptop was not easy to get to, or was it? Thank you for watching. Where's that complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery?